Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The general structure shown is HO2C, CH2, and CO2H, a straight-chain dicarboxylic acid where N represents the number of methylene, CH2, groups between the two carboxylic acid groups. Reasoning: when N is equal to 4, the structure becomes HO2C, CH2, 4, CO2H, which is hexanidioic acid. Counting the total carbon atoms, 4 CH2 groups plus 2 CO groups is equal to 6 carbons total. Identifying the common names of dicarboxylic acids. Oxalic acid, HO2, N is equal to 0, 2 carbons. Malonic acid, HO2, CH2, CO, N is equal to 1, 3 carbons. Succinic acid, HO2-, CH2, 2 CO, N is equal to 2, 4 carbons. Butyric acid, HO2-, CH2, 3 CO, N is equal to 3, 5 carbons. Adipic acid, HO2-, CH2, 4 CO, N is equal to 4, 6 carbons. With N is equal to 4, the compound is HO2-, CH2, 4 CO, which is hexanidioic acid, commonly known as adipic acid. Why other options fail? A. Malonic acid has only N is equal to 1, 3 carbons total. B. Succinic acid has N is equal to 2, 4 carbons total. D. Oxalic acid has N is equal to 0, 2 carbons total. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.